what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be removing this fan cowl housing, whatever you want to call it, and cleaning it out. The recent floods in Durban, KZN, has gotten mud all inside the fan, and it's created a huge imbalance. So now every time the fan kicks in or you put the air conditioner on, it vibrates like crazy throughout the entire vehicle. So we're going to be taking that out, cleaning it up. Hopefully mud didn't get into the bearings or anything in the fan, and we don't have to change the fan. Just take it out and clean it. Okay, so there's two tabs to take out. There's one there, you pull on that, there'll be another one round about here, you can see there, right? And then it just slots out from a point there. Don't even know if you can see that right now, and it slots out down there, right? I'll show you all more clearly when it's out. What to take out: there's a bracket here for the airbox. Take out the entire airbox. There's a clip there. There's a plug here for the fan switch. Take that out, and everything should slide out with a little bit of persuasion. Okay, the only tools we're going to need for now is these flat screwdrivers, maybe different variations, but we have the toolbox just in case. Now, to take out the airbox, so we had to jack the car up, put it on stands, because there's little tabs underneath where you have to release them at the bottom. I'll put the light there so you guys can see. These tabs there, where the light is on, you got to push a screwdriver in and push up to release it, and then it pops out. One on either side, pops out, and now it's loose. So we just need to maneuver this around and hopefully get it out. Okay, so after a lot of pushing and pulling, we are now free. Problem is that the under tray is getting in the way. Let's just get to that. And there's a whole lot of 10 and 8 bolts under, so you just need to remove this tray and hopefully it should just slide out. Okay, so after a lot of back and forth, it's out. There we go. And what you need to do is pull it to this way, tilt it down, and move this aircon bracket pipe a little bit back, and it just slides right through. And now that it's out, you can see what's happening here. So let's hope we can sort it out. Alright, so this is how much of mud was on the outer shroud, and we just got a little old toothbrush, and then we're gonna take apart the fan from the housing. I already loosened the control box. Just need to take out these Torx, should be a T25, and take it apart and clean out the fan properly. Hopefully it does the trick. So what we've done is cleaned out all of the mud and dirt from it, and now we plugged it in, just placed it here. I'm going to put it on in the car, and I'm going to see if it helped at all. All right. Okay, air conditioner on, fan on, not making any funny noises, not vibrating like crazy. So it was the imbalance. Beautiful. Now everything is fine. I'm just gonna lubricate everything and disconnect all the wires, everything. I had to put the air box back on so it could read the air, and I just need to put everything back together, pop it back in, and we're good to go. Okay, so before I do final assembly of everything, I just washed up this under tray, and I noticed that it had a little crack, kind of a big crack. So I'm just gonna put a little hole there to stop the crack from going any further, and just put a few holes all along here, cable tie the whole thing up, and then put it back in. So a screw was taking too long, so I enlisted the help of my drill. So fan's done, all the connections are back on, everything is securely fixed on. Now it's just about taking it, sliding it back in here, connecting everything up, and hopefully it still works. Okay, moment of truth, hoping nothing blows up. Aircon on. No funny noises. Wind. Everything is back together again. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you liked today's DIY video. If you did, please give me a subscribe, like, and share this video, and there'll be more DIY videos in the future. Thanks for watching.